Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nene Agan, aka NensBaby, aka Nens the Babe, aka Dr. Nene, aka Nens the Explorer. Although I'm not exploring in this video, maybe I'll call myself Nens the Esthetician for this video. Anyways, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, make sure to click the subscribe button down there, like, share, comment on this video, tell me of your skincare journeys, because I'm going to give a short story on my skincare journey in this video anyways. So yeah, in this video I'm going to be showing you my skincare routine step by step. I'm going to tell you how I order my skincare products from the US into the islands, because they don't sell them here, or if they sell them here, they sell them at ridiculously high prices. So yeah, tips and all of that. I'm also going to talk about my skincare journey if time permits, because this is not a really long video. I use my peeling solution once a week. If I have a lot of acne, like if I have active acne, I use my salicylic face mask. It's a black mask, you just apply on my face, leave on for 10 minutes as well, and then wait. But if I do not have active acne, I just end up using my peeling solution, and then sometimes I use salicylic acid directly, like the salicylic acid mask directly on active acne. It is all over my face. Peeling solution poured on the ground because I'm a dumbass and I forgot to close the bottle, but I used it in my underarm and on my coochie area, so I guess it didn't waste. Yeah, so yeah, just my face dry. When I have time, I air dry my face, but if I don't, I use a paper towel or a clean face towel. First thing I use on my face is my glycolic acid toning solution, and I apply it with my hand. Honestly, the instructions say to apply with cotton, but I apply with my hand because I try to get all that product in, and I feel like it just makes a lot of sense to me. I let my face dry, and a lot of times I go in with lactic acid next, but my skin was feeling a bit sensitive in this when I was filming this video, so I did not use lactic acid. I just went in with my hyaluronic acid, like a face serum. It's kind of like, it has a watery consistency, as you can see, so I went in with that. Then after that, I had to use caffeine solution in around my eye contour area. More English. Anyways, yeah. Okay, you're among the lucky ones if you get to travel to the US and the UK from time to time. But in my case, I haven't traveled in a while. So if you know someone that's traveling out of the island to the UK, to US, to Canada, you can talk to them and then order your stuff to them, order your skincare products to them. I order my skincare products. If I have someone that traveled to the UK, I order them from this site called Beauty Bay. And if I know someone that traveled to the US, I order them from Sephora, because it's easier that way, because the shops are based mostly in those countries. Yeah. I would like to say me eating grapes there was just because I was hungry, but it was also because I just wanted to show off, like, I mean, I have grapes and also I hadn't eaten. But anyways, I used the caffeine right before this because I had to protect my eye contour before using this product, which is retinoid, and this is harsh for the sensitive layer of skin that is around your eye contour. So I use that. It's also advisable to use it at night, but in my case I wasn't going out and the sun was already setting. Honestly, after I finished this video, the sun went down so fast. But just for an extra layer of protection, I use sunscreen. You would see that when you keep watching this video. I have suffered a lot with skin problems, like for a huge portion of my young adult life. I was struggling with acne, and so like I started by drying out my face, drying out the acne, and then I started focusing on hydration. So till now, the main focus of my skincare is hydration. Next, I use my alpha arbutin serum, which is like a water-based serum. It's mixed with hyaluronic acid, so very good for hydration, and it's used mostly to improve pigmentation and improve skin tone. Also heard it improves like skin texture, but I think that's because of the hyaluronic acid part of it. Okay, next I use my Hadalabo hyaluronic acid moist beauty thingy, and it's a Japanese brand makeup. It's a Japanese brand skincare product, and it's really nice. It's also really cheap as well. I'm going to add the links for all the products I use in my caption, so make sure to check that out. Okay, so after that I do spot treatment. A lot of time actually I use any lotion that I buy from the pharmacy that has hydroquinone in it, and I use a cotton bud and I directly actually spot treat. But for the purpose of this video, and I use this sometimes actually, I am using my mandelic acid that I got from the Inkey list. It's basically fake hyperpigmentation. And right after that I'm using my sunscreen 2-finger rule, except that I kind of already know how much 2 fingers is going to be, so I just put it directly on my hand and I apply sunscreen. That's the end of my skincare routine, basically. Fan till I dry up so that I don't sweat everything into my eyes. This is me just being vain after my whole skincare routine, and I washed my braids while I was in the shower, so that's why I had them tied up throughout this video. I dried them up with a t-shirt because I dried them up with t-shirts because the fibers are better for your hair and it kind of helps your hair to not get rough. I was still trying to save this hair. I didn't want to ruin it as at yet. So yeah. Okay, here I'm just applying an oil on my edges that I made. I made it out of rosemary, mint oil, castor oil, shea butter, and a bunch of other oils. I think I just combined all the hair oils I had and I boiled them together for a while, let it cool down, and I've been using that on my edges so far. Okay, so we have come to the official end of this video. That is the skincare video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Like, share, comment, turn on post notifications, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, spread the word, get people to join this family, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Mwah. But if you are living in the Caribbean and you want to know how I order my skincare products or how I order stuff generally to the island, you can stay and watch after this. It's also a bunch of really pretty sky videos that I take. I am a sky video connoisseur. Yeah, I really like pretty sky videos, so I have a lot of sky videos here. So yeah, you can stay behind and watch. Thank you. Regarding ordering things to the island, you have to open up a US mailbox if you're not someone that travels often. So you can use Westech, you can use Dropbox, I think there's something of that name, but I use Aeropost. So you go to their website, you select the island you're on, you create an account, and they will give you a US mail address, a US address. Then you order your things to that address, and then it gets there and it shows in your account on the dashboard. Then you pay to clear it on your dashboard and it gets here, and depending on how much it is, you pay a certain amount to the customs agent here, and then you get your package. It's really expensive, but if you have someone that travels out of the island, or if you know someone that travels out of the island, you just order to their house address and then they'll bring it back to the island for you. Really nice, really nice. The only tip I can give, if you do not have someone that's coming to the island, make sure to make your purchases under $25. So you might have 5 different packages, but make sure everything is under $25, because when it gets to the US mailbox, they're going to charge you like $20 and above, and when it gets to your island and they do the math, it's going to be over a certain amount and you're going to pay a fuck off price to clear it. So I think that's the best tip I can give you, and I hope it works for you. I hope you are able to get away with it. Okay, bye. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Bye.